This works. This really works. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my latest discovery on how to treat dandruff and itchy scalp anytime you are in braid. Okay, so should I tell you the backstory? Okay, let me tell you just a little bit about how I discovered this mixture right here. So about a week ago, I got my braids, and anytime I braid my hair, my scalp itches, okay, but I don't know, sometimes I just scratch my scalp till it's gone, or I don't know, I just let it go. But this time I said enough is enough. I need to find a solution to this problem, okay? So I did my own research, and then I put 2 and 2 together, and this is the outcome, okay? And this works. This really works. So what's in this one? Okay, here we have hibiscus extract, we have aloe vera juice, we have apple cider vinegar, we have water, then we have peppermint and tea tree oil. Okay, so the hibiscus extract is for treating the dandruff, it conditions the hair, it moisturizes the hair. The aloe vera gel is also for soothing the scalp, it conditions and moisturizes the hair as well. The peppermint and the tea tree oil also works to prevent any inflammation, because sometimes when you have itchy scalp, you scratch your hair so much and then inflammation of the scalp may occur. So tea tree oil and peppermint oil is to combat or prevent the inflammation, and the almighty apple cider vinegar is to treat the itchy scalp. Okay, apple cider vinegar has a lot of uses, it has a lot of advantages, and trust me, apple cider vinegar works for itchy scalp. So here I'm going in about a minute, I'm going to show you how I put all of these ingredients together to make this magic mixture that works for dry and itchy scalp when you are in braids. Okay,
so as I've already said, I use apple cider vinegar, I use hibiscus extract. I'll link the video on how to prepare the hibiscus extract up here. Then I use peppermint and tea tree oil as well. So yeah, that's my spray bottle, and this is my aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel. It depends on how you want to refer to it as. And yeah, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of my apple cider vinegar and pour it into my spray bottle. From here, I'm going to dilute my apple cider vinegar with water. Okay, we don't want to use the raw apple cider vinegar on our scalp, so I'm going to dilute it with water, and I'll go ahead and add my hibiscus extract, 3 tablespoons of my hibiscus extract. So the hibiscus extract deals with dandruff, it conditions and moisturizes the hair as well. Then the apple cider vinegar deals with the itchy scalp. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my aloe vera juice, and that is supposed to soothe my scalp and also condition and moisturize my hair as well. So from here, I'm going to add my peppermint and tea tree essential oils, 10 drops each, to prevent any inflammation that may occur on my scalp. And so voila, your anti-itch spray for your braids is ready to use. Okay, so from here, I'm going to spray it onto my scalp. You can see the color of this mixture is a bit reddish, but when I showed you at first, the color was a bit brownish. That's because in the beginning of the video, I had kept it for about a week, about 4 or 5 days before making this video. So that is the reason. Okay, so I'm going to spray the mixture onto my scalp. Make sure every part of my scalp is soaked with the mixture so that my itchy scalp can go. Okay, so when doing this, you want to take your time and gently massage everything into your scalp so that you get all the benefits from the aloe vera, from the hibiscus, from the essential oils, and from the apple cider vinegar as well. We want a double benefit from the aloe vera and hibiscus extracts especially. So gently spray it to every part of your hair. I sprayed it to the back, the front, the middle, all parts of my hair. So if you're not comfortable with the smell of the apple cider vinegar, you can add lavender essential oils or rose essential oils or any nice smelling essential oils to the mixture, okay? But the smell is really not bad. It's okay, but you know, some of us can't tolerate certain smells, so you can just add lavender oil, rose oil, any nice smelling essential oils to it. So that's basically it. Just spray it into your hair, and after you're done, style as you want.
So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it works for you just as it has worked for me. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's bye.